Here's how to create a second YouTube channel under the same Google account. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and go to YouTube. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner to access your settings and go to Settings. You'll be taken to the YouTube Studio. Go to the Accounts section from the top. And here under your channel section, you'll get the option of create a new channel, that is between channel status and view advanced settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you can go ahead and enter a name for your channel and also enter the handle. Then tap on create channel, which is in the bottom of the menu that appears. You'll be taken to your new channel. If you see a message saying the channel does not exist, refresh the page and switch between channels. Click on your profile picture in the top and select the channel that you want to use. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.